back to the vlog. This is day 4 of our vlog vacation. We are now on our way to Katy. The time is, oh, that's on my eye. The time is 10:47. We have, hold on baby. What? The girly thing's on? Oh, those? Yeah, you can have those. All right, the time now is 10:47. We do have 3 hours and 48 minutes left, so our arrival time to Katy will be 2:36. So we're all packed in. Say hi, P. Hi, Bubba. The baby is sleeping.
Right now.
Huh? Okay. All right, everybody's fed. Oki is fed, and we are now. I think I think like the best part of our vacation was definitely going to Gaylord. It was super fun. We went, if you saw our video or vlog, our last vlog, we went into this 9-degree freezer, which was really fun, but then it like burned my face. It burned all of like, Mom, a freezer burn, I guess you would call it. Emmy has this red spot on her cheek now. I only put makeup on this part of my face. I don't put any foundation or anything on. I just put concealer, and where I didn't have makeup, like this part of my face is like hard, not hard to touch, but like stings when you touch it. What was your best part, Peyton? The 2 minutes you got to ice skate with me. That's it? Mom, what was your best part of
the sculpture, the ice sculpture, and the tubing, the ice tubing.
Oh, that's like good. Yeah. Aiden, what was your best part?
Everything.
P?
Can I have the chips?
I'm getting it.
Yes, baby.
Yes, we are.
Alright, we're gonna go get the girls some chips. P likes his nachos.
Ready?
And yeah, this is gonna be a fun car ride. Follow on. Irving, Texas. Oh my god. Wow, we went to literally four different places on this trip. Alright guys, the time now is 12:29. We are currently 2 minutes away from a gas station because Aiden has to pee.
Oh
That's
my
okay.
god, but all of that. Oh, Jesus Christ. Peyton's scratches butt, so put it on there too. Oh, Peyton scratches his butt now.
No, I'm just saying. Well, Aiden has to pee, and we told him stop drinking so much milk because we're not going to stop.
I can't help you, Carmelita. I love milk.
Yeah, well, that's weird.
I love milk.
I love milk, Emmy girl. Alright, so we're a minute away now. But we are only 2 hours away, less than 2 hours away from Katy. So that's a good thing. Oki just woke up, so she's eating a muffin and I'm tired. Alright, bye. We just went to this stop. This is a super cute smokehouse little thing. I will roll the clip right here of the area. Inside it was super nice. So it's kind of like if you've ever been to Buc-ee's, it's kind of like a smaller version of Buc-ee's. It was super cute. night. Now on our an hour and 40 minutes left. Try it. We're back. We are 27 minutes away. Babe, you might have to get out, Oki. Let me just show y'all what we just went through. Peyton had a, babe, hurry, get Oki. We had to go on the side of the road because of this. Throw up. Emmy started throwing up. Aiden started throwing up. Aiden threw up here. Yeah, just beware. There is throw up. He continued to throw up over here and in the grass. Whew. Emmy started it and Aiden basically finished it. So there was throw up all over my car.
Hey, Emmy.
All on her seat. Again. Emmy, you feel better? So Emily gets car sick really bad if we drive for a long time, and that's just basically what it was, is she just got car sick. And then when she got car sick, Aiden has a very weak stomach, so he finished it. So Emmy started it, he finished it. That's basically where we're at right now. Anyways, we're just 30 minutes away. My mom said if anything happens, oh God, that she would buy me a car wash, an inside detail. So, Peyton, here, what do you...
What?
What do you think of the situation?
Oh. I don't know. Kind of surprised I'm not throwing up right now either.
What do you mean?
Oh, Mama, what? I see
Oh, all over this.
Oh my God, let me see the camera. I didn't even catch this little glimpse. Let's all throw up. That's all throw up.
That's all throw up. This is all throw up.
Oh my God.
Could be worse.
What do you have to say for yourself, Aiden?
Sorry, made me throw up.
Come on. What do you have to say, Mom?
I want to throw up.